Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do a 5K video playback test in the Realme X2 device. As you can see, right now I am using the Realme X2 phone, so which has a Snapdragon 730G processor, and let's check whether the 5K video will be actually playable without any problem or not. And before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel if you want to know more 5K video support in any other smartphone. So you can find plenty of other phones over there. So definitely I'll be doing the 5K video test in POCO X2 and other phones as well. And let's get started with this test here. And similarly, don't forget and like the video, and also do check the playlist as well. So there are plenty of playlist links in description available. So each playlist has plenty of videos and which will be very useful for you all. So even if you want to know what wallpaper I'm using exactly here, so recently which I did a video on that as well. So Realme X2, as you can see, edge lighting, how you can get. So let's get started with the 5K video playback test here. So right now I'm playing the 5K video footage directly from the MX player. So as you can see friends, it's playing very not so smooth, but slightly I can feel minute amount of lag. That's not noticeable, but little bit. So let me try to fast forward the video and let's see. As you can see, it's completely fast and smooth, so there is no lag at all while forwarding or backwarding the video. And let me show you the properties of the video as well to demonstrate the resolution, so you can get clear idea what resolution the 5K video actually is. So I did another video as well friends with a 4K 30 fps and 4K 60 fps, even 8K video playback test as well. So definitely do check the links in description for the playlist of Realme X2, so you can find plenty of videos over there. So you can clearly see the resolution as well, 5120 into 2700. So it's a 5K resolution right now, and which has the 30 FPS. So it's 30 FPS. You can see 29.9. So overall, the 5K video is playable in the Realme X2 Pro, X2 or X2 device without any problem right now. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel. I'll be definitely posting the same kind of test in the other smartphones as well. So right now you can clearly see it's playing very smooth without any problem, even while forwarding the video as well. So that's it for this video. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.